Newton Crouch presents technical tips.
A couple of things we've got inside the cab, and this is really the office of the sprayer. We tried to lay it out really nice so you could see everything. Backup camera. The valves on and off. This console. Change the head position. This is your red toggle switch right here. This is your receiver to get your GPS speed. All your auxiliary lights and your big arrows up top.
Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.